In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new defaults. When you finished, go back and access Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Then just tap on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!